Hello, my name is Faiza Uzaifa. I'm a student from Widyatama University. In this video, I'm going to do a presentation as my final test about e-learning is the least effective way of earning degrees. This video brings up the theme about my opinion as a student about online learning. Over the list of the topics that have been given, I chose e-learning is the least effective way of earning a degrees. So I'm going to discuss about several reasons why I choose this topic. But beside that, it doesn't mean that I don't need online learning. Online learning is really needed under certain conditions, but choosing it as a way to achieve a degree seems to be the last option. The current situation requires all of us as students to use full online learning. I thought it would be very fun and very effective for student learning because it's something new and it would be very fun coupled with flexible time. What I mean by flexible time is that students can save more time, like they used to have to get up early to get ready to the campus. Now we just have to open the laptop and we start studying. Everywhere. Very helpful for students who are already working. But after I pass it, turns out that I got some problem in this online learning. What I experienced were signal disturbances or interference from the web provided by the campus, less interaction with lecturers and students, and what I felt the most was lack of understanding of the material itself. I'm gonna break down one by one. First, signal problems. The signal problem doesn't seem like we can control it, right? It's a problem that we will face in online learning. But this problem really interferes the learning itself. For example, during a Zoom meeting, the voice of the lecturer who is explaining suddenly cut off, requiring the lecturer to re-explain what he just explained. Another example, I've had trouble uploading a given task. I had to repeat until finally I could upload it. Second, less interactions between lecturers and students. I see that there are some lecturers who only provide modules and forums without holding a Zoom meet or maybe a Zoom meet once a month. This makes interaction very hampered because some students do not understand by just reading. Plus, sometimes some questions on the forum are answered late or not answered at all. So I don't blame the lecturer, but this problem came because of online learning. I'm sure it would be very different if we studied offline. Third, we have understanding the materials. From the problems that I have said before, I don't fully understand some of the material given by the lecturer. Like it or not, I have to be extra in studying, and maybe one way is to ask directly, personally to the lecturer. So that's the reasons why online learning is the last choice in reaching a degree. I think that's enough to prove. If e-learning is still used in full, there is no mixing between online and offline learning, I hope e-learning will be more effective in the future. For example, not only students who makes videos like this, maybe lecturers can also make a video explaining the material itself. If the Zoom meet time is limited, or maybe we can make like a group work so that the student can get to know each other and have direct discussions, or maybe increase the Zoom time, for example twice or maybe third or maybe fourth times a month. I believe Widyatama is very capable of providing the best for their students in the future. I hope. So at last, the conclusion of this presentation is that online learning that I have discussed does have shortcomings, which in my opinion must be improved, including myself in carrying out this online learning. But behind that, because of this current pandemic situation that have I'm not done yet. Online learning is very helpful for students and lecturers. There are no obstacles to continue study and get a degree. I hope this learning method produces results and continues to innovate. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.